Hey there, it's Zaraarti and welcome to my channel today. So in today's video, I don't have anything in mind to create, but I just got in this pigments from Saint Monique. So using this pigment to create some magic on my face. So let's get right into the video. I have my brows done already, so I'll be going in to moisturize my skin with my Embryolisse moisturizing primer. It stays, it has a long eyewear, and it has this skin finish kind of feel. If you use your exact shade, like, it still gives you your skin color, like even after hours it doesn't change color. It also has full coverage and it is very affordable. See, it gives that skin like finish, and as long as you're using the right shade for your skin, it goes into your skin like there's nothing on your skin. To highlight my face, I'll be using the Early Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Let's just start blending out from the parts where I apply little bits of the concealer, then go into the parts where there is like much application of the concealer. To contour my face, I'll be using the Twok foundation in the shade 190. So this is my first time trying out this foundation as a contour. So let's see. Using the foundation to contour my face, I feel like it defined my face more, like it brought out my cheekbones and my hairline features very well. I think I like it. Yeah. Going in with the Sacha buttercup setting powder to set the highlighted parts of my face. Luster eyeshadow palette to work into my crease. First of all, I'll be starting off with this shade into my crease. Put on the shade to work into my crease. To apply, I'm using it as a transitioning color for my crease. I did a mixture of smade, angel, noir and golden rose. Let's see. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wait, we got to continue. Don't stop. Oh, somebody hold me. This is so gorgeous. Easy. Like seriously, all the makeup application I've been doing, this is the moment I have been waiting for. And oh my god, it's worth the wait. I repeat again, these pigments, they are holy grail. Just one tap and I apply it and spread it out and it still pops up. Apply my waterline. I'm using this pineapple eye pen. So for my lashes, I'll be using the Ryannejohn lashes. Under my eyes, I'll be using the same color I used for my transition. My powder, I'll be using the Zara mattifying powder in the shade ZZ65. I also want to use the pigment for my lips to see what it's gonna look like. I'm mixing Noir and glowcaine together to see. I look like a shine baby. So to seal up my shine look, I think this is what I'm going to name this video, shine look. So to seal it up, I'll be using the Slay All Day setting spray. Oh my god, it feels so good. And here we have it. I created this look using Saint Monique pigments and I am loving it, down from the eyes to my highlights to my lips. Like everything is popping, everything is shining. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, let me know what you think about this look, and let me know if you want me to create any other look. And if this is your first time for joining the Zaraarti gang, you are welcome. But please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button down below. Thank you.